morning, children. Here we are again. It's time for our Monday assembly. And, star of the week, let's hand over to Rolo for his Rolo Roundup. Rolo, over to you.
Good morning, children. It's Rolo, the school dog here. I hope you're ready for this week's Rolo's Roundup. So here's this week's news. First of all, it was so lovely to see so many of you at the PTA Winter Fair yesterday. I hope you managed to get lots of your Christmas presents ready for your friends and family. Now then, let's have a look and see what's happening at Marlborough this week. Monday tonight, we have netball. On Tuesday, we have rugby, and on Thursday, we have football. Now, a reminder, they are for our pupils in Years 1, Year 2, and Year 3. On Friday this week, we have running club, and that's for Year 5 only. Other than that, I don't have any other news for this week, so I'm going to pass back over to Miss Foley for this week's character strength. Over to you, Miss Foley.
Thank you, Rolo. A busy week at Marlborough yet again. So, children, I've decided for the theme for my assembly today, I'm going to concentrate on the character strength of appreciation of beauty and excellence. This is my top character strength, and I'd like to share that a little bit more with you this morning. I find it quite easy to use this character strength every single day, whether it's appreciating a beautiful piece of music, a beautiful piece of artwork, a song that I love, or a piece of music. But the place that I really appreciate beauty and excellence the most is when I'm outdoors. So at the weekend, I don't know if you noticed it, but Saturday night, early in the evening, when I was driving over to see my cousins, the moon in the sky was huge. It was so big and it was so low down in the sky and it was so beautifully illuminated. I just took some time out just to sit and look at it and to really, really appreciate beauty. This weekend, I spent quite a lot of time outdoors, taking Rolo for lots of walks over in the parks in Cardiff as well as the parks in Bristol. Again, I really enjoyed just being outdoors in nature. I don't know if you noticed, but the floor was carpeted with the leaves and they were dry and they were crispy and there were lots and lots of different colours. And I loved walking through the leaves and just appreciating that beautiful carpet of leaves. So this week, I'd like to share a story with you about appreciating the beauty of nature that's all around us. And our story today is called Outside In. It's by the author Deborah Underwood and the beautiful illustrations are by Cindy Darby. Outside In. Once we were part of outside, and outside was part of us. There was nothing between us. Now, sometimes, even when we're outside, we're inside. We forget outside is there. So outside reminds us. With flashes at the window and slow magic tricks. It sends the sunset and shadows inside to play. Outside sings to us with chirps and rustles and taps on the roof. It beckons with smells, sun-baked, fresh and mysterious. Outside feeds us. Sun, rain and seeds become warm bread and berries. Outside couples us in clothes, once puffs of cotton. It holds us in wooden chairs, once trees. We feel outside in the warm weight of our cats and the rough fur of our dogs. Outside shows us there is a time to rest and a time to start fresh. Outside steals inside. A spider seeking shelter, a box elderbug in the bath, a tiny snail on kale. Even rivers come inside, cool water rushing, eager to return to the sea. I'm here, outside says, I miss you. Outside waits, and we answer. I love that story, especially love the illustrations. And I really like the message in that story that when we're outside, we really need to appreciate it. Not being engrossed in our phones or playing on the electronic games, but just appreciating the beauty of the nature around us and how nature really sustains us and gives us everything that we need in our life. So this week, when you're outdoors, really spend the time appreciating the beauty of nature around you, whether it's the sun in the sky or the moon in the twinkling night sky, whether it's the crispy leaves on the floor or the trees which are looking bare this time of year, or the birds, the robins looking for seeds. Just spend time, just really, really appreciate it. Because I always think that when I spend time out in nature and appreciate nature, it really makes me feel good inside too. So I hope this week you find ways to develop your appreciation of excellence and beauty. Have a wonderful week, everyone.